Hello everyone, here we are launching a new channel, Explore. Here you will find wonderful videos which are informative, knowledgeable and useful. Life is all about making a better tomorrow. Our channel is dedicated how to make yourself a better person by exploring your thoughts, your skills, your ability, experience, competence, knowledge, learning, growth, and training. Watch our videos and follow our tips to be happy in life from now onwards. We are going to teach you the ABC of English, math, science, and computers. Earning money online is the chief topic that we are going to discuss in the coming videos. How to make videos, how to edit the videos, how to give voice, how to include pictures which doesn't have copyright claim, and many more are in queue. So stay connected, subscribe our channel and keep watching our videos. We will start with the English grammar topics tomorrow. This is the first video we are posting today. Hope you will understand what we are exactly up to. If you want to ask any question regarding English, math, you can post any of your question in the comment section and we will try to resolve it for sure. We dedicate our channel to improve your English speaking skills as well. So come, let's explore a new way of improving yourself. Thanks for watching this. Hope you like our coming videos too. Subscribe and keep watching.